Hello everyone, welcome to Stars of Knowledge Nanda channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to give you the prediction for the IELTS exam for 31st July 2021. On this date we have both academic and a journal training exam. So let's start our prediction for 31st July 2021. Well, in listening for part 1, fill in the blanks, and part 1 of listening could be easy. For part 2, there could be multiple choice questions and few fill-ups, and part 2 could be easy again. For the listening part 3, you can have a large multiple choice questions. That means question will be little larger, and a table to complete. So that is fill in the blanks but in a tabular form. So it's a table completion, and your part 3 could be easy to moderate. For the last part there will be fill in the blanks, easy to moderate again. Your overall listening for 31st July 2021 could be easy to moderate. If we talk about the reading, academic first, then in passage 1 there could be fill in the blanks and true false not given. Passage 1 of reading could be easy. For passage 2 there could be choose the correct option and which paragraph contains the following information. Your passage 2 could be moderate. For passage 3 there could be list of headings, sentence completion and yes no not given, and your passage 3 could be easy to moderate. Your overall academic reading for 31st July 2021 will be easy to moderate. Further, if we talk about the journal training reading module, then for the passage 1 there could be true false not given and list of headings, and passage 1 could be easy. For the passage 2 there could be short question and answers, summary completion and just a few multiple choice questions, and passage 2 for the GT reading could be easy to moderate. For the passage 3 there could be fill in the blanks and choose the correct option. Your passage 3 for the GT reading could be easy to moderate, and your overall journal training reading for the 31st July 2021 could be easy to moderate. Moving on to the writing module, then if we talk about the task 1 for the academic exam, then you might have a map, table, bar or a line chart. And for the journal training task 1, informal letter. And for the task 2, you might have a discuss both views opinion type of essay where you have to talk about the both positive, negative, advantages and disadvantages type and give your opinion or just outweigh the positive points on the negative points. So that kind of an essay type, and the topics could be related to jobs, society, education, technology, internet and people. So this is your writing session. Further, I would like to tell you that for the writing task 2, there is a video already available on the channel which give you the high probability predicted topics for June to September 2021. So if you do have an exam in July or August month, then guys please go and watch this video, and whatever topics are given there, just have a quick view of those topics, just have some ideas in your mind, so if you do get that topic in your examination you are easily able to write on it. So I'm not saying to memorize these topics, but just go and have a quick look at the video. Whatever the topics are there, if you know about them it's fine, if you don't know about them, just whatever or wherever you think it's possible, just have a quick look of those topics and just have some ideas in your mind for those topics. And lastly, for the IELTS speaking, if you have in July month, then July cue card predicted topics only and only for the July month. Those topics are already available on the channel. This video is published on the channel. So just go and have a look on those topics. If you want to memorize those topics or have some ideas of those topics, then the detailed videos one by one topic wise is also available on our channel for you guys to memorize those cue cards. If you already know about them, then it's perfectly fine, but just go and have a quick review that you are ready for those cue cards. So guys, this is the prediction for the 31st July 2021 IELTS examination by IDP only for both academic and a journal training. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar, and also hit the bell icon so that you do get a notification when we publish other videos. For any query or anything, please leave a comment below. We'll definitely get back to you. Thank you, students. Best of luck for your examinations. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.